Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to solve Gcash problem with device security. So first up, what you need to do is to just head to your Gcash. And if you're encountering this Gcash problem device security, then just try to relaunch the app and make sure to close it completely before doing so. Then try to relaunch your Gcash. Now, if that doesn't help, we can head to our settings right here. And then just make sure that if you have any pending updates, like this one, I have a pending update, then just make sure that your device is always running the latest version. And the same applies to your Gcash app. So just check your app store if there's any pending updates for Gcash. Another quick step that you can follow, which kills two birds with one stone, is by basically uninstalling and then reinstalling Gcash, because it will automatically download the latest version of Gcash, which often resolves a lot of issues. All right, so once you've done that, then you should be able to access your Gcash without any issues or problems with device security. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.